In this video, I am going to explain about the application of ultrasound. Application of ultrasound. So, what are the uses of ultrasound? You know, ultrasounds are high frequency waves, means they have very high frequency. The number of vibrations made per second is very high. Ultrasounds are able to travel along well-defined paths, even in the presence of obstacles. So ultrasounds are used extensively in industries and for medical purposes. Okay. So number one, ultrasounds is generally used to clean parts where physically it is not possible. Okay. Now the parts which is difficult to reach, this ultrasounds can clean that part even. Okay, for example, suppose spiral means having the round spiral, it is a spiral tube. Odd shaped parts means this is the zigzag having the holes like that, it is. Electronic equipments and electronic components, etc. So these can be cleaned by using ultrasound. So how are they cleaned here now? So it is like this. So objects to be cleaned are placed in a cleaning solution. The object is placed in a cleaning solution and ultrasound waves are sent into the solution. Okay. So due to very high frequency, the particles of dust, grease and grease and dirt get detached and drop out. Okay, and drop out from the surfaces. The objects thus gets cleaned thoroughly. So this is the way how this ultrasound has okay, it is used in industry for this cleaning purpose. And now, okay, ultrasounds can also be used to detect cracks and the flaws in a metal blocks. In a metal box, I mean big metal blocks where it is not known that inside that block whether there is cracks or flaws are there or not. So it is not visible from outside. So these ultrasounds can be used to clean, even find out that flaws or cracks in the blocks of metal. Okay, metallic components are generally used in construction of big structures, okay, like buildings, bridges, machines, and also scientific equipment. So whether that metallic block has flaws or some cracks inside, it is not visible from outside. So the cracks or the holes inside the metal block, which are invisible from outside, reduces the strength of the structure. Okay, it will reduce the strength of the structure. So ultrasound waves are allowed to pass through the metallic block, and detectors are used to detect the transmitted waves. Now, if there is even a very small defect inside the block, the ultrasounds get reflected back, indicating the presence of flaws or any defect inside the metallic block. In medical science, this is used to examine the body part. So ultrasound waves are made to reflect from various parts of the heart and form the image of the heart. So this technique is called echocardiography. Echocardiography used to take the image of the heart, whether the heart is performing normal or not. So these ultrasonic sounds can be used to find it out, and that technique is known as echocardiography. Ultrasound scanner is an instrument which uses ultrasonic waves for getting images of internal organ of the human body. Yes, ultrasound scanner. It is an instrument which is used to scan the internal organs of the human body. A doctor may image the patient's organs such as the liver, gallbladder, uterus, kidney, etc. It helps the doctor to detect the abnormalities such as stones in the gallbladder. Stones sometimes is formed in the gallbladder and kidney also, or tumors, small projections on the skin or the tissue, that's called tumors in different organs. In this technique, the ultrasound waves travel through the tissues of the body and get reflected from a region where there is a change of tissue density. Tissue density, tissue is a collection of cells having the same function and same origin, so that is tissue. So these waves are then converted into electrical signals. Is the wave that has get deflected from the uneven tissue density, so that wave is changed into electronic signals, so that are used to generate image of the organ. These images are then displayed in a monitor or printed on a film. So this technique is called ultrasonography. So ultrasonography is to take the image of the whole of the body, to find out is there any abnormality in the organ or tissue. Now ultrasonography is also used for examination of the fetus during the pregnancy to detect congenital defect and growth abnormalities. Means during pregnancy, when a baby grows inside the abdomen. So this ultrasonography is used to find out any defect in the growth of the baby, or any abnormalities in the baby. Now next it is ultrasound may be employed to break small stones formed in the kidneys. Kidneys, so ultrasound can be used to break the stone without any operation. So that can be used to break up stones formed in the kidney into fine grains. So these grains later get flushed out with urine. So this is some of the applications of ultrasound, which is really a big boon to the medical science and for industry. It's a great boon. So ultrasound is tremendously used in industries and in also medical sciences, and it has been now extensively used to find out any kind of abnormalities in the body, and also in industries to find any defect in the blocks having any cracks inside which is not visible from outside, and to clean the different parts of an instrument where physically it is not possible, so like a spiral, so all these things. Okay, thank you.